back to Life as It Is with LQ. I'm going to be showing you guys, I got some stuff from Temu and I'm going to be unboxing it so I can show you guys. I have not really opened it, so, and by the way, I am making this video with my DJI Pocket 3, so I don't know if there's going to be a difference with my previous videos that I've made. So if you guys see any difference, please let me know, comment in the comment section. So I got like different products. These are makeup products that I got, so I'm going to be showing you guys and unboxing them today. These are from Temu, so Temu, whatever it is. So let's open the first one and see what's inside. What is this? Where's the... Okay. This is 2-in-1 dual-ended design lipstick and lip gloss. Okay. So this is lip gloss. Oh wow, this is good. Maybe I can make a YouTube video of the makeup tutorial. I think I like this. Okay, that's the first one. Let's see. Okay, I'll also be putting the link in the description below, so if you guys want to order as well, let me know. It's actually good. This is another liquid matte lipstick. Let's see. Ooh. All right, well then, this is gonna be, wow, this is another shade of red. That's looking good so far. Okay, so I'm gonna also be putting all the links below. These are very affordable, like $1 less than $5 each. I think this is another shade. Let's see what this is. Ooh, I love this. This is my favorite color. This is like a nude pink or whatever that is. It's also matte. Let's see. What little, it's not big, but for that price, you can't beat that price. So you can see that. I don't know if you guys can see. Okay, this is 3. Let's open this. This is another shade of red. Let's see. Okay, let's see. It's kind of similar to the first one. It might be even the same. And these are matte, so it stays longer. See that? Kind of similar to the first one. All right, let's see. The next one is waterproof protection lip and eyeliner pencil. Okay, this is in color 02. Let's see. Wow, I'm loving this, guys. See that? This is the right shade also. Okay, I think this is another eye pencil, maybe a different color. Let's see where this is. Okay, this is also waterproof protection lip and eye pencil. This is color 3. It is a darker brown. Okay, I think I prefer the first one. You can use this as, yeah, this would be good for just eyeliner. And this is good, you can use this for your brows actually, because this is like a shade for your brows. I am loving these things, guys. All right, so this is the last one. This is lip liners, but it comes in different shade. Oh wow. How many is in there? Wow, are you serious? And this thing, I think I got it for less than $5. This is 10 piece. Oh my god. And they are so they don't look cheap. They are not like cheap looking or okay. So this is color. What color is this? It doesn't say. Just look at this, guys. Let's look at that. Oh wow. I think I'll give it a 10 over 10. I'll give all these products a 10 over 10. So guys, when you see me, you're gonna be seeing me some lipstick, and I'm still gonna order some more as well. This is purple. If you use this with your purple MAC lipstick, it's gonna be popping. Or use it with your pink lipstick or whatever. And this is red. Oh my god. Just look at this. All this. Okay, maybe next video I'm going to be doing a face a makeup tutorial, and I'll be using these products. But yeah, that's all I have. This is for my camera. I'll be unboxing that later. This is all I have, guys, and this I think this is less than under $15. Even under $10 is, I think, you can't beat the price. But I'll be putting a link in the description below if you guys want to order some. Alright guys, that's the end of my video. So if you guys have any comments or questions, you can leave it in the comments below. And it's also, if you guys have not subscribed to my channel, please comment and subscribe as well. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. So I'm gonna try one of the lip liner and the lip gloss. I mean the matte lip gloss. So let's try this too out. I don't want to put a lot, so this is basically what it looks like. Any darker, you can line the side, blend it to whatever you want with it. Looks good. And this is matte. This is also matte. It's like very stays longer. Yeah, that's it.